Time for a demonstration of Kwikset's Kevo lock, which is Bluetooth, of course. Here we go. I've got the door open here so we can also see the mechanism itself, the deadbolt. So we're facing the outside of the lock. All I have to do is, since it's paired to my iPhone, that be this guy right here, is touch the lock. The blue light spins. The deadbolt comes out. Yellow light tells me it's secure, and my phone vibrates. To unlock the door from the outside, same thing. Just touch the lock once, blue light spins, phone vibrates, lock withdraws, and a green light flashes instead of a yellow to tell you that the door is unlocked. It's really that simple. This is our Kevo lock. You're looking at it from the inside. It's got a normal lever for working the deadbolt. But here's some of the fancy stuff that's hiding inside the box. We just take off the cover right here. Couple of things. First of all, this button right here is used to pair with your Bluetooth. The trick is, press the button, touch your phone to the unit, and it pairs. It's that simple. Okay. This, by the way, is a battery compartment up at the top. According to the documentation, the 4-pin light battery should last about a year or so, and of course it'll flash to tell you when it's time. And just put the cover right back on like that. Okay, the convenience of the Kevo is simply this. Walk outside, close the door, touch the lock once. Bingo, we're secured. Same thing in reverse. I'm coming home. Who knows, maybe I'm carrying packages. All I have to manage to do is touch the lock. The Kwikset Kevo unlocks, and we're in. The problem sometimes is you might be coming back, the door is locked, and you're carrying packages. So you might even want to try the elbow unlock. What a great home automation device. Kwikset's Kevo Bluetooth deadbolt lock.